Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Study Economics Zone. I am Arna Thakur and I will take up economics classes. This is my first class. I hope this will be helpful for your upcoming exams that you are having. I will take a specific topic every day. I request you all, after watching my video, if you like my way of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Let us start. This video talks about national income and the determination of income, output, and employment in Keynesian model. As you know, national income. What do you mean by national income? National income is the total amount of income accruing to a country from economic activities in a year's time. In Keynesian model, level of income, output, and employment is determined by effective demand. In Keynesian model, level of income, output, and employment, level of income, output, and employment is determined by effective demand. It is ED. And effective demand, what is effective demand? Where aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. According to Keynes, aggregate supply is constant in short run, so aggregate demand is the only determining factor of effective demand. It remains constant in short run. So there is only the aggregate demand which is a determining factor of effective demand, right? So aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus export minus import. Okay. And now we will study all elements of this equation one by one. Firstly, we take consumption. Okay. Consumption is a function of real income. Consumption is function of real income. So aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment plus comment expenditure. We can write consumption is equal to C bar plus C naught plus Y, right? This is constant. Okay. This is MPC, marginal propensity to consume. Marginal propensity to consume. We can write it MPC. Okay. C is divided by Y, then Y plus C naught Y. CYY is average propensity to consume. So this is APC, average propensity to consume, and C naught Y plus C naught. Okay. Now we take the value of C naught plus C naught Y plus I plus J, and then AD C naught plus, this all are constant G plus C naught Y. Okay, here this is independent variable, and it shows slope MPC. Okay, and this is dependent variable, dependent variable, and these all are intercept. Okay, we will now we will understand this with the help of diagram. This is aggregate supply and this is aggregate demand. Okay, and there is two aggregate demand, and this is also aggregate demand, and it can be write by. ओके, हम आगे देखेंगे कि ऐसा मैंने क्यों लिखा है. ठीक है, टेक अ 45-degree line. It shows aggregate supply is identical to aggregate demand, this is exposed. Exposed means actual. Okay. And here aggregate supply, we can write it Y, and aggregate demand, we have studied the equation. Aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure. And now we will draw a red line aggregate demand from here. This is ex ante. That means plant. Okay. Here the point E. At this point, aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. Aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand. This is aggregate demand. Okay. It's equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus C naught Y. Okay. Aggregate supply, we can write it Y, and aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus C naught Y. Okay. Here aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, that is the effective demand, right? We can draw it. At this point the level of income is Y0. Have you got it? This is product method. And this is expenditure method. That shows the aggregate demand, and product method shows aggregate supply. Okay. And thank you. After watching this video, if you like it and way of my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks once again.